Nature holds the best solutions for radiant skin, and lemon balm is proof of that. This ancient herb packed with healing, soothing, and anti-aging properties. This powerful botanical can help your skin glow naturally. Soothing irritated skin. Lemon balm contains rosmarinic acid, a potent antioxidant that helps calm inflammation and reduce redness. Whether it's acne, eczema, or sensitive skin, lemon balm can work wonders to soothe irritation. Fights acne and breakouts. Thanks to its antibacterial and antiviral properties, lemon balm combats acne-causing bacteria. Lemon balm cleanses skin while balancing sebum production, reducing breakouts over time. Anti-aging powerhouse. Lemon balm is rich in antioxidants which fight free radicals and protect the skin from premature aging. It helps smooth fine lines, boosts collagen production, and gives skin a youthful glow. Hydrates and refreshes skin. With its natural moisturizing abilities, lemon balm helps lock in hydration, leaving the skin feeling soft and revitalized. It's perfect for dry or tired skin, giving it a fresh, radiant boost. Detoxifies and brightens complexion. Drinking lemon balm tea or using it in skincare flush out toxins, reducing dullness and giving skin a natural, healthy glow. How to use lemon balm for skincare. Lemon balm toner. Brew fresh leaves in hot water, let it cool, and apply with a cotton pad. Lemon balm face mask. Mix dried lemon balm powder with honey yogurt for a rejuvenating facial treatment. Lemon balm and rosehip cleansing oil. Infuse lemon balm leaves and rosehip powder in sweet almond oil for a minimum of a week. Mix with babasu oil to create a makeup remover and facial cleansing balm. Lemon balm facial steam. Add leaves to hot water, cover your head with a towel, and let the steam open your pores for a deep cleanse.